Talk Thursday. This is Divya, your mom friend and your parenting coach. And today's Thursday, so I'm back answering your questions live on Instagram and Niche on Facebook and on YouTube. Seriously, these guys need to do something because Instagram को to stream is so difficult on any streaming site कि Instagram को तुम्हें अलग लाइव जाना पड़ते हो और Facebook और यूट्यूब पे अलग लाइव जाना पड़ता है. Well, if you're here for the first time, then thank you for coming. And what we do here is I come here every Thursday to answer your questions. अगर कोई भी question है, then you can put bottom right question mark वहाँ पे and I'll take it up. If you're watching me on YouTube or on Facebook, then you can just put it in comments and I will take it up from there. Okay. And what else? Exams खत्म हो गए हैं. And thank you Ekta and thank you Bindya. They're saying I'm looking pinky today. Yes. आज थोड़ा किसी ने मुझे कल बोला Divya, you're wearing too many whites. I am fed up of watching. Like one of my very close friends said this. She said this is too much white. All I'm seeing you these days wearing white. Bring some color. I said okay. I'm gonna bring some color back. Okay. So yeah, coming back to. If you have any questions, put it bottom question marks वाले column में and I'll take it up from there. Okay. And मेरी तरफ से क्या update है? Exams are over. Exams were good. Only one small little bit is left, and then I am done with it and done with the masters. Hopefully I'll pass, but I think I'll pass. So yeah, so done with it, and then I can officially start counseling children as well, which I'm super excited about. Okay. Or what else is there today? If you're here for the first time, then type 1 so that I know you're joining me for the first time. If you have any questions, then put it on bottom right. There's one mother who wrote to me in the morning saying that, ma'am, you have not answered my question. I said, listen, ma'am, मेरा खुद का exam चल रहा था. Now I will definitely answer. So start putting in your questions so that I can see and I will definitely answer it for you. Ekta says, I have a small confession to make. Okay, you can make it. You can put it on the chat. I'll read it up for you. Okay. Okay. I have a question on YouTube and she says, hi ma'am, I have been seeing all your YouTube daily reset messages. It is really helpful. Thank you so much. People who don't know, I do come on YouTube every day just for 10 minutes to answer one question. तो जो question यहाँ answer नहीं होता है, I take it to my YouTube and I just answer it there and then I post it and I keep it there. Why? Because I am on a mission that कि अगर किसी को कोई भी सवाल है, they can just go to my YouTube, search the relevant video and watch it. Because I have realized that most of the parents have similar questions most of the time. So I'm like, instead of them waiting, they can just go there and see if someone else have a similar question and then get their answer there. It's like a directory I'm trying to make. Yeah. Okay. Ma'am, I have to ask you something. She says, my 5-year-old girl, she screams and shouts a lot. She was not like this before, but suddenly she is screaming. She says, Mama, I hate you and I don't like you. I don't know what to do. Okay. I think it is not that suddenly she has changed. I'll start with that. See, when you have a strong-willed child, when you have children who are hurt, they say a lot of things which they really don't mean. It hurts us because अगर हमारा बच्चा हमें बोलता है ना, Mama, I hate you. You are the worst mother in the whole world. Nobody wants to hear that. Yeah. Even I don't want to hear that. And Zorawar just told me that yesterday. Okay. However, if you keep it in the mind कि children say this, you know why? Because they are so hurt. Children say this because they do not know how else to express the anger. And sometimes, जो strong-willed बच्चे होते हैं, they say it to get their way around. Because they know that if I'm going to hurt my mother, then my mother is going to listen to what I'm going to say. Okay. So, first of all, Nazima, let me tell you, don't take it personally. Your daughter has not transformed suddenly. It is just that maybe she's feeling a disconnection with you. Maybe उसको वो attention नहीं मिल रहा जो उससे आपको पहले मिलता था. Okay. Maybe, just a maybe you have just started to control too much. So you have to look inward and see what has changed in me as well that suddenly my daughter feels this way. Okay? When your child says, I hate you, please do not take it personally. They are angry. They do not know what else to say. They sometimes just want to say it to hurt you. They sometimes just say it so that you listen to them and give them what they want. Okay? So whenever your child says, I hate you, just nod and say, yes, I know that you're hurting. But darling, I'm sorry if you feel that way, but I still cannot let you do, or I still cannot give you what you want. You know, it is best not to engage in a child when the child says, I hate you. Okay, and not go into the justification. It is best to just acknowledge and say, Beta, I am here for you. I understand. You're hurting. आपको बुरा लगा ना? ऐसे. ठीक है? Nadia, I hope I have answered your question. Okay, I see a lot of questions coming on the chat. Whoever have questions, please put it on bottom right. Okay, bottom right pe there's a question mark. Please put, on Instagram, bottom right may put the questions. On YouTube and Facebook, you can just put it in comments. I can see it there. Okay, okay. Someone, how long will the session last? The session lasts till 12. Yeah, today also till 12. So I come here every Thursday from 11 to 12 to answer your questions. Okay, to all those who are new here. Okay, Ekta. So many questions. But don't know how to handle everything alone as my husband has transferred. Ekta says, I lost my temper yesterday and felt really bad shouting at my kid. But I do not know how to handle everything alone as my husband is transferred to Mumbai and has no help. And I have no help. I feel exhausted sometimes. How to handle? Please guide. Okay. एक मैं आपको सच्ची बात बताऊं, एकता, first of all, you are not alone. Okay, we all go through this. As I say in my masterclass also, the day that I am happy, I react very differently to my child than the day that I am really stressed and overwhelmed. Okay, so yes, you screamed on your child. Yes, you shouted on your child. Yes, you lost your temper on your child. And you know कि तुम चिल्लाना नहीं चाहते थे, but because you were so overwhelmed, you had so much work to do, you snapped on your child. That's the time when you reflect and you pause. Okay, don't go immediately saying I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, take a minute. First you cool down, then you go to your child and apologize for it, that I had so much to do, I shouldn't have reacted this way, and I'm sorry about it. Okay, and if you want, and I know Ekta ko I know, so I know कि उसका बच्चा थोड़ा बड़ा है. If you want, you can ask help from your child as well कि there is so much I have to do, can you help me please? Can you help me with little bit of work? It will really help me. You know, sometimes children are looking to show that, you know, that they can be helpful to you. Maybe he can just do one simple thing, pick up plates, or, you know, just wind up the kitchen with you, or something like that. That can just help you, because children love to contribute. It's just that we don't ask them to contribute. Okay, how to manage things alone? It's not easy, but the biggest thing is to prioritize. Prioritize what you need today. Prioritize to see what can be left for tomorrow. Remember, we women have this biggest problem of कि सब कुछ साफ कर लो, everything has to be spick and span, I do not like it, you know, and things like that. You want to see a reality today? I'll tell you openly, I'm not kidding. Huh? My help is also not here. I am working on temporary helps. Okay, you see very clean sofa behind me, Ekta. I'm just showing it for you because I know, and I don't want you to make you feel bad. Okay, you see this clean sofa behind me? Wait. You see the mess here? I didn't bother to pick it up. You see how my curtain is hanging? Because my curtain चले गया, चद्दर गिर गई right before the live. You know why I'm showing you this? You know why I'm showing you this? To tell you that my mental peace is much more important than a clean house. You understand? My mental peace is much more important than a clean house. So, Ekta, when you feel that you're overwhelmed, you try to prioritize what is important for you. You try to think, what can I leave right on, what can I do? Okay? Nobody is coming and giving you an award for the cleanest house in your apartment. Nobody is coming and give you an award for the बेस्ट कुक हु मेक्स अमेजिंग फूड, yes they will come, तारीफ कर देंगे, but at what cost? At the cost of what? At the cost of you getting irritated and overwhelmed. Okay, so prioritize things. It's not easy, but prioritize things. See what is important, see what you can let go. सब कुछ आज नहीं करना है. You know, my mentor says one thing which I really love, because I am also sometimes like this कि I want everything to be done. You know, साफ होना चाहिए, करना चाहिए. अगर मेरे को ये काम खत्म करना है तो आज ही करना है, मुझे ईमेल भेजनी है तो आज ही भेजनी है. So I also get very worked up. But from last few years, you know, I've realized one thing, that you have to sometimes prioritize what is important. You have to see what is important and pick those things up. You have a long life. You do not have to do everything today. Okay? So yes, you shouted on your child. Yes, your child must be upset. You can go and then apologize to your child later. Okay, as I said yesterday, even Zorawa said to me, Mama, I hate you, you're the worst mother. Why? Because I had also had a long day and I was just getting more and more irritated because he was not going and doing his night routine. So there was a point where I just became quiet, because agar main chup nahi hongi, then I would have shouted on him. And I just went and told him, Zoravar, you know what? I am not going to say anything now. You know what the night routine is. However, I cannot give you bedtime story right now because you're way past your night time. So whenever you're ready, you can please go change your clothes and come. I said, because if I start talking, I'll scream. So it is important to understand where you are. You remember I teach in the masterclass about the traffic light parenting. Okay, so try to involve that. Try to do that. Try to see when you're getting irritated. Because it is not that you will never get irritated. It is that how you manage that irritation. Are you able to hold it before you burst out? Are you able to see before it comes out of your mouth? If I'm going to give you an expectation कि आप कभी गुस्सा नहीं करोगे, that's the most unrealistic expectation I'm going to give you. But if I'm going to tell you that it is better that you manage your expectation well, you manage your emotions well, you catch your emotions before you burst out, you prioritize what is important to you, that is still a true picture that I'm giving you. Okay? Okay, let's go to the second question. Preeti says, my son is 3.5 years and virtual autistic, but why does he speak some words sometimes but not always? He has been like this since he was 2. When and how can he improve? Preeti, you need to talk to your child a lot. Okay, so she has put something else also. And he also does not pay attention to others trying to play with him. Only pays attention to me, nobody else. Responds to me only if the therapist asks me to talk and play with him as much as I can, and he only responds to me. How can we solve the problem and not interacting with others? Okay, so I see that you're seeing a therapist, which is great. Okay, see, as you're already seeing a therapist, and I'm sure you're seeing a speech therapist as well. So your child is talking to you. So the problem is not that your child cannot talk. The thing is that your child is not comfortable talking to somebody else. Okay, some children talk very less also. You know, till the age of 4, I think like your child only. I would only go and whisper to my mother. That's it. I would not even talk to my any bhua or masi or anybody else. Nobody. I would just go and talk to my mother. So what I will suggest here is, I am not an expert on this topic, so I can only give a suggestion. The best is to go and check with your therapist. The suggestion here would be that I do not think that your child has a problem in talking that much, but your child has the thing of getting comfortable with somebody. Okay, so you figure out how can you make your child comfortable with someone. Okay, your child is only 3.5 years old. Sometimes you really have to hold back. For example, if your child wants something, वो आपको बोलेगा मम्मा you say. You know, if you're in a home environment, it is okay to push your child and say, I think you can say it yourself. No, mama, you say. अगर आप हमेशा उसके लिए बोलते रहोगे, ही इज गोइंग टू बिकम वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन लीनिंग ऑन टू यू. Sometimes you have to push your children to do it themselves. It is going to bring frustration in them because then they are not getting their way around. Okay, let me be very honest. But building that frustration is good because that is how you're going to push them out of their comfort zone. देखो मैं तो इधर हुई, I can communicate what you want to say. Right, I can communicate it to XYZ what you want to say. Okay, at home, let's start at home, but I want you to communicate. I can stand with you. No mama, you say. Do not say. Do not say is what I will say. Okay, because the more you're going to step in for your child, the more the child is going to become more dependent on you. Because if he can communicate it to you, he can communicate it to somebody else as well. Okay, so try that. Rest, I think you're doing fab that you took him to a therapist to see it, because I see a lot of parents don't do that. They just try to figure it out themselves. It's best to go to an expert and ask what to do about it. Help. Because what happens is we all want best for our children. So don't try to figure it out yourself. There are experts for everything. Go to an expert, ask what you can do. Okay, but ये जो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, if your child can talk to you, push your child to talk to others also, but at home first. Stand with your child. Okay, how to encourage a 4-year-old to do homework if he or she is going to do it the first time? 4-year-old is a time when you should make things a little fun and understand that if your child is getting 3, 4, 5 pages of homework, which still a lot of schools are giving, try to break it down. Okay, second is try to start making a routine. Homeworks works best when you make routines. Otherwise you do not know and the child don't know what to expect. So if you want to set a routine for your child, that do homework, after you come back you do this, then you do this, then you do your homework, then you go down, or whatever your routine works in your house. Okay, if you want, put a there's a way to do routine charts, which I teach in my workshops as well. So try to make a routine that is agreeable to both of you, so that they have the buy-in and they want to do it as well. Okay, another thing is what you can do is you can ask your child to do it in parts. See, 4 साल का बच्चा है ना, the focus is not more than 8 to 10 minutes. वो भी higher end में बोल रही हूँ मैं. ओके, अगर आप बच्चे को बोल रहे हो तो पूरा A B का शीट लिखेगा, एक तो उसके हाथ भी दुखेंगे. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू फोकस ऑन द एंड गोल एंड divide it and give it to your child. Okay, otherwise there is going to be a tussle. Children don't like doing homework. Let's be very honest, we never like doing homework. So the more entertaining, the more break you give it to them, the more structure you build for them, the better it is. Okay, try that. YouTube पे question, I'll just take it, but before that there's one more question here which I want to take. Oh, ये क्या हो गया? How to keep sitting a toddler for homework? I just answered that. See, okay, let's talk about homework for a minute. Okay, please have realistic expectation when it comes to your child. Okay, please have a realistic expectation when it comes to your child. I have told this many times before, I am telling this again. The focus of your child is only double their age. For example, if your child is 2 years old, approximately uska focus 4 to 6 minutes के लिए ही होगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. Okay, in the same way, the focus, like if your child is 4 years old, it's 8 to 10 minutes. उससे ज़्यादा you cannot expect them to sit for a long time. Okay, you cannot expect to sit for a long time, because it does not help. अगर मैं आपको भी बोलूँ मेरा 1 घंटे का live है, you sit at one place and you watch it, and you're not finding my live very entertaining, you're not finding it encouraging, you just log off. Won't you log off and go off? You have the power to log off because you're an adult. They do not have that power because you're always telling them do this, do this, do this. Do you think they find homework very entertaining and they want to watch it like a movie? No. उनको बोलो आप खेल लो, यू डू लेगो, यू डू दिस, यू डू पजल्स. इफ दे लव पजल्स दे विल डू आवर्स ऑफ पजल. एंड देन द पेरेंट्स सेज बट ये वो तो 1 घंटा कर लेता है, होमवर्क क्यों नहीं करता है? क्योंकि होमवर्क बोरिंग है. लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दे डोंट लाइक होमवर्क. Okay, homeworks are very boring. So you have to make it more entertaining for them. If you have a toddler, वो बहुत छोटा है. Again, as I said, have realistic expectation, break it down for them, set a routine for them as to what they're expected to do. Okay? I see a lot of people are putting questions on Instagram in comments. I do not read there because it goes very fast. मेरे को Instagram में बहुत चीज़ें दिखती है. Like यहाँ पे YouTube और Facebook पे नहीं दिखती है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ मुझे comments दिखते हैं. But वहाँ मुझे बहुत चीज़ें दिखती है. So comments just go up. So if you have a question, bottom right में there's a question mark. Please put there. Okay? Okay. यहाँ पे someone is asking me, मैम कंट्रोल कैसे करें बच्चों को थप्पड़ लगाने से? ओके, बच्चों को थप्पड़ लगाना ही क्यों है? हम थप्पड़ क्यों लगाते हैं बच्चों को? When we get totally irritated and when we feel that we are out of control. Okay, if you want to learn more about calm parenting, no, then I am having a masterclass tomorrow. Please join it. I'll tell you why you get so frustrated. What happens in your brain that you really go and hit your child. Okay, so बच्चों को थप्पड़ हम कब मारते? तब मारते when we feel out of control. I'll again say the same thing. You're in a good mood, children come, बच्चा आता है, उससे पानी गिर जाता है. You will just say, oh बेटा कोई बात नहीं, let's clean it up. You're in a bad mood, तुमने 1000 बार तुम्हारा घर का काम नहीं खत्म हुआ है, ऑफिस का काम चल रहा है, बॉस डांट रहा है, पता नहीं मेड नहीं आई है, कुछ तो भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल रहा है. उस टाइम पे बच्चा आके गिराता है, द ओनली थिंग दैट ट्रिगर्स यू, यार इसको मुझे साफ करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट ट्रिगर्स एक्चुअली मेक्स यू फील आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड यू शाउट ऑन योर चाइल्ड. बच्चा काम सेम करता है, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि बिकॉज आई एम इन अ डिफरेंट मूड आई रिएक्ट डिफरेंटली. एंड लेट मी ऑल्सो टेल यू समथिंग, the more you hit your child, the more you scold your child, if you are doing it every day till the age of 8 9 10 भी लगा लो आप, ठीक है, 10 साल तक भी सब लगा लो आप, आपका बच्चा फिर भी आपकी थोड़ी बात सुन लेगा. उसके बाद बच्चे जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, ढीठ हो जाते हैं, ढीठ. आई डू सो मच काउंसलिंग इन विच द मदर सेज, मैम मैम पहले फिर भी सुन लेता था, अब तो मुझे कहता है कि मुझे आपको मारना है मार लो. एंड लड़के ही नहीं, लड़कियां भी. आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 12 13 चिल्ड्रन आर लाइक, आई डोंट केयर, मारना है मार लो, जितना मारना है मार लो, आई विल डू व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. कैन यू हिट अ टीनेजर? Type here, can you hit a teenager? If you're joining for the first time, I will definitely ask you to type things. Okay, can you hit a teenager? My question is that. Surbhi says 2 years मैं भी करती थी same, but now things have changed because of them. Thank you, Surbhi. You can't hit a teenager, right? Who can you hit? You can only and only hit someone जिस पे आपका बस चलता है. और बस किस पे चलता है? बच्चों पे चलता है, ठीक है. बट वो बस भी आपका खत्म हो जाएगा when they turn into a teenager. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है? अगर आप बच्चों को मार रहे हो ना, पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है? यू आर ब्रेकिंग योर रिलेशनशिप. यू आर ब्रेकिंग योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर चाइल्ड. जब बच्चा घर से बाहर जाएगा, दे आर गोइंग टू गो विद रिजेंटमेंट. मुंह नहीं देखने आएंगे आपका. आई डोंट वांट टू गो बैक टू माय मदर, आई डोंट वांट टू गो बैक टू माय फादर. आई नो सो मेनी केसेस लाइक दिस. They only take care of your mother and father out of obligation. But inside them, they are holding so much anger with the way they were brought up. And then that anger comes in when they have their own children. Because they are so full of anger कि जब खुद के बच्चे होते थे, like हमें भी मार पड़ी थी, हम भी मारेंगे. So there is no point hitting. Let's stop focusing on changing our children. Let's first change ourselves. I have to change. I have to break the cycle. I have to actually say no, enough is enough. प्रॉब्लम बच्चों में नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम हम में है. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चेंज. ओके, Okay. I see there's some questions on YouTube. I'll take the next one, but first let me take from Instagram. How to make my 1-year-old sit and have food? Use a ये चेयर यार क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मेरा बच्चा बड़ा हो गया ना, मैं भी भूल गई हूँ वो बेबी चेयर नहीं होती है, दैट कैन टाई टू द, दैट यू कैन पुट ऑन टू the dining table. That's the best way to make them have food. Okay, if you have a child, okay, please use these baby chairs to feed your children. That's the best way, because then they can make a mess also there, they can eat also there, you know, they are not roaming around everywhere, sab kuch. Okay, that's the best way. My daughter is 8 years old. She makes friends but always end up fighting with them over small things, and then she cries and sulks every time they they did that. Now children are not ready to play with her. What to do? Good question. Okay. एक तरह से high chair, yeah. So 8-year-old. If your daughter is already 8-year-old, okay, so I would not go and solve things for her. In fact, I would first ask her to reflect. Ask her questions like, you know, what happened? What did she do? What did you do? Did you feel bad about it? Do you think she felt bad about it? You know, I will make her first reflect. If she comes to me about and says, Mama, nobody is playing with me, I would actually say, why do you think that is? How do you think we can solve this? See, it's the time you start building your child's character, because your child is already in a phase where they can think. They are not toddlers anymore. Okay? So it is important that I make my child think that what happened, what you could have done better. So instead of me giving solutions to my child, I would actually ask reflective questions and then ask her only, how do you think you can make up with them? If your child says, no, I don't need them to play with me, do not go into the lecture mode of saying ki nahi, you know, you should go apologize to them. No. See, this is how children learn in life. मैं ये करूंगी उसका consequence ये है, मैं ये करूंगी उसका consequence ये है. Okay, if I start going and jumping in and doing things for my child, then I'm not letting them learn things in life. Okay, so my suggestion is ask reflective questions. Let her only come up with something that she can do to go apologize with the children, or you know, maybe she can play something else or something like that. But do not try to give her answers, because even you don't know the answers, you were not there. Okay, so do that. Sarika is saying, answer me. All those who are writing questions here, I think you have just joined. Please do not write questions here on Instagram. I cannot see. There's too much going on. I have all the people who joined, all the people who left, and then there is this comments that keeps coming. तो मुझे सिर्फ कमेंट्स नहीं दिखते, क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिखते, ठीक है, अनलाइक ऑन फेसबुक ऑन एंड ऑन यूट्यूब. सो प्लीज, इफ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, इफ यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन, बॉटम राइट क्वेश्चन मार्क इज देयर, बाहर जाके प्लीज पुट योर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तब तक लेट मी टेक वन क्वेश्चन हियर फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. Sahil says, my 7-year-old avoids eye contact while talking to everyone, even with me and my husband. How to help him overcome this? Thanks in advance. If your child is not doing eye contact at all, then my honest opinion will be to get your child tested with a doctor. Okay, because sometimes children who are on an autism spectrum, they are not autistic but they are like on a spectrum, they do not make eye contact, and that is one of the things that we look for when we are doing the assessment for autism. Okay, so this is just a suggestion. If that comes clean that no, it is just that usko confidence nahi or something like that, ya focus nahi hai, then is when you come back and then I'll give you some solutions. But first of all, go to a specialist, ask, just have a screening done. There's nothing wrong in it. Because see, if a child is talking to you like this, Mama, Like suppose this is me, this is you, okay, and I'm not looking at you at all. Mama, I need food. Mama, can you get me water? This is not normal. Okay, this is not normal. You have to first see what is the problem. Okay, till that time what you can do is, Sahil, is that you can do one thing. Okay, when your child is looking left and right, okay, you just stop your child for a minute and say, beta, look at me and talk, please. Beta, look at me, I'm here. Yeah, now I'm listening. Can you look into my eyes? Yes, very good. So instead, and I know it's work. Let's be very honest, it's work. Every time your child says, every time you will say after. Every time your child is not looking into your eyes, every time you'll remind your child. But you have to remind your child politely. Okay, but that's the only way, because sometimes some children with ADHD also have this thing that they need a lot of simulation. वो जो बोल रहे हैं ना, उससे पहले उनके दिमाग में और भी चीजें चल रही हैं. So it's not that they do not want to have eye contact, it's just that they're thinking when they're talking to you, or they're thinking about something else. So sometimes it is important to get them back to the situation and then talk to them. But I highly recommend you go to a doctor, just have a screening done, so that you can just take it out of the equation. Okay. Okay. Goel says, what if they don't want to sit on the baby chair? Then you have to make engaging ways to make them sit on the baby chair. No child likes to sit on the baby chair in the first go. Everybody wants to come out. Every child will say, I want to come out. Every 1 year old will fit and fight. That's how it is. You make it engaging. You take a book with them. You make them do some activity on it. You put paints there. You let that baby chair, let them have some mess. Then they would love to sit. Okay. See, I'll tell you what, when you're bringing up a child, remember a child will always push a boundary that you want to set with the child, whether वो 1 साल का हो, चाहे वो 10 साल का हो, चाहे वो 13 साल का हो, चाहे वो टीनेजर हो. ओके, अगर आप इस केस में बोल रहे हो कि बच्चे को कि मुझे हाई चेयर में बैठाना है, बच्चा नहीं बैठना चाहता, that's the child pushing the boundary, simple as that. But you know it is good for your child, so you just have to figure out a way how to make it more engaging, because you know this is going to make your life easy, it's going to make your child's life easy. In the same way, if a child is 5 years old, 6 years old, usko mobile chahiye, you know you cannot give it, but your child wants the mobile. So in that case, you will do that only, no? You will not give, even if your child doesn't want it. So बच्चों का काम ही होता है to push boundaries, to say no. हमारा काम होता है to set the boundaries, to make sure we take care of ourselves, so that I can take care of the child and be much more calmer and have an open mind to deal with it. Okay. Okay. Smriti. Hi ma'am, I would like to know, in the situation when we are in a sad, upset mood and don't feel like talking to anyone, being a mother, we have to talk, but therefore kids, how to deal with it, because I end up scolding them and feel low. Smriti, first of all, if you have not enrolled for my masterclass, which is happening tomorrow, it is free. Go to the bio and register. Okay, why? I teach something called as a traffic light parenting there. It's a tool that I give free. Okay, when you're not in the mood to talk, you're at an absolute red zone where it is too much happening in your life. Okay, उस केस में ना, you just have to remember one thing: the more you talk, the more agitated you will get. The more agitated you will get, the more you are going to end up hurting your child. If you do not want to talk to your child, if your child is above the age of 3 and 4, okay, उसके लिए बता देती हूँ, you can always communicate it to your child and say, Beba, I am not in a good mood, I need 10 minutes. They understand it. Even if they don't understand it, it's okay. Let them just sit next to you. You stop talking. You just go, ha, that's it. That's it. If your child is younger, he's not going to leave you, or she's not going to leave you, because you are the safe space. But you don't want to talk. So engage them in an activity so that you get 5 minutes to yourself. See, children, again, I'll repeat something, okay? Children below the age of 6 are very egocentric. Egocentric is everything is about me, 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 me. So if I want ice cream, or if I want your attention, or if I want something, then I want it. It is the most important thing for me. Okay? So if you say, Bacha, I'm having a headache, I want to sleep, I want to do this, they do not understand it, because they are in an egocentric stage. After the age of 7 8, you will start seeing a huge change in them. They start understanding, the compassion comes in, they will understand you more. You say, Baba, I need 10 minutes, can you give me 10 minutes? They will understand it. Usse pehle they don't. Okay, because their world revolves around them. Okay, so if you're not in a mood to talk, communicate it to your child. I have not written the age of your child, but I am assuming your child is little elder. Agar wo chota hai, then you just ask the child to do something else there. That's all I can say. But I understand as a mother, even I don't feel like talking. Like yesterday, I told you, I was so upset yesterday because this boy is not getting ready and he had an important event today and I wanted him to sleep on time. Ultimately, what happened? I told him only one thing: I am not going to say anything from now on, because I wanted to be quiet. Because I know the more I'm going to say, सब उल्टा सीधा मुंह से निकलेगा and then I will regret it later. The less you talk, the better it is. Okay? Okay, let me just check. There's a lot of questions. मैम एज पेरेंट्स अपने कभी थप्पड़ लगाया है बच्चों को? नो, आई डोंट बिलीव इन दिस थ्योरी ऑफ हिटिंग, बिकॉज आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल चाइल्ड. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल चाइल्ड. उनको एक चीज मैं बता देती हूँ, व्हाट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल चाइल्ड. See, children have different personalities. Okay, it is very important that you understand what is the personality of your child so that you can parent better. Okay, and I teach all this in my workshop, and I always tell people, please come to the workshop, attend the workshop, because you can parent better. If any one of you wants to join the workshop, just DM me after this. I'll send you the details of the workshop, because if you understand your child's personality, you will parent accordingly. I have a very strong willed child. अगर मैं ऐसे बच्चे को चिल्लाऊंगी, थप्पड़ मारूंगी, अगर वो इस टाइम पे ये लेवल पे ईगोइस्टिक है ना, द मोमेंट आई हिट माई चाइल्ड, उसका ईगो इतना बढ़ जाएगा. और जब उसका ईगो इतना बढ़ जाएगा ना, उसके बाद हैविंग अ कनेक्शन विद द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जिनको हम बोलते हैं ना, ये बच्चा बहुत ढीठ है, इसको 2 लगा लो, इसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. वो ढीठ नहीं है, वो उसका पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट है कि आप मुझे मारो, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 10 मोर. So you have to understand how to deal with that child. I have a very strong-willed child. You go shout on him, he's going to shout 10 times back at you. This is their way of feeling deeply. They have intense emotions. You have to learn what your child's personality is to make sure that you can do better for your child. अभी क्या हो रहा है, आपसे बहुत generic parenting कर देते हो कि not understanding what your child's personality is. Understand your child's personality. So if I would have hit my child ever, it would have just gone the other way around. Strong-willed children needs more connection. बिकॉज अगर आप उनसे कोई काम करा सकते हो तो कनेक्शन से ही करा सकते हो, नहीं तो वैसे वो कभी आपकी बात भी नहीं सुनेंगे. ओके, जस्ट 1 second, लेट मी सी इफ देयर इज एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन द Instagram, sorry, on Facebook and on YouTube. No, there is not. Okay, we have 10-15 minutes more. Okay, have I missed any question? No. Hi, 6-year-old, and I tried your traffic light tool also, didn't respond, just react by saying yes, but he keeps on nagging, mama talk, don't just It's okay. Listen to me. It is okay. Okay, why? Because children don't see that side of you. So when you're just saying they will be like, what happened suddenly? It is new to them. Okay, so if you have a 6-year-old and you're not talking, you're just being quiet for 5 minutes. See, for your temper to come down, you do not need more than 5-10 minutes. if for your anger to come down you need more than 5-10 minutes, then the problem is you have to work on yourself more as a mother, so that आप बहुत जल्दी ट्रिगर हो रहे हो लेकिन आपको वो ट्रिगर से हटना नहीं आ रहा है. Something is really irritating you. So even if you're doing ha, and the child keeps coming and saying mama talk, mama talk, mama talk, it's okay. They are not used to it. You can just simply communicate, beta, I am really angry right now and I need 5 minutes to manage my emotions. When you do that, you're actually teaching your child, modeling it to your child what to do when you're angry. यहाँ पे किस किस के बच्चे ऐसे हैं, मुझे पता है बहुत क्वेश्चन आते हैं, मैम मेरा बच्चा इसको मारता है, मैम मेरा बच्चा ऐसे रूडली बात करता है, मैम मेरा बच्चा गुस्से में बहुत करता है, मैम मेरा बच्चा चिल्लाता बहुत है, राइट? उनको हम क्या सिखाते हैं? When you are angry, you should try to calm yourself down. We give them tools to calm down, right? But nothing works. Why? Because you are not modeling the same thing. The child thinks कि जब मम्मा आपको गुस्सा आता है आप तो चिल्ला देते हो, जब आपको गुस्सा आता है आप तो थप्पड़ मार देते हो, तो why are you teaching me कि जब मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है then I should control myself. So even if your child is nagging, as I said, remember this one thing, okay? Children are like woodpeckers. They will ask you, mama talk, mama talk, mama talk. My son does it too. When I go quiet for 5-10 minutes, he just comes and says, mama, mama, or they roam around you. Why? Because please remember, you are their world. Till the time they don't go to teenage. They want you to be around them. So they will be around you. My son also comes around me. That's okay. They can be in the same space. I just have to first focus on myself so that I can calm down. Because if I do not calm down, I will say things which I will regret tomorrow. Period. I'm going to break that bond with my child. I am going to say things which I know are not right. जो उसकी वजह से हो भी नहीं रहा है. Because let's be very honest, half of the time कहीं और का गुस्सा हम कहीं और निकालते हैं. Especially बच्चों पे निकालते हैं. Easiest target होते हैं ना इसलिए. Okay? And if you really want to learn about the calm parenting, then do come to my workshop. I keep telling them it's just, if you're interested to be a calm parent, then I do workshops on the calm parent blueprint. In which I will tell you step by step how to identify your triggers. I will tell you how you can map your triggers, what you can do. There's a 3-step calm method that I teach you. I teach you about your children. What their personalities are, how to make them calm, what is your options when you get angry. Come join it. If you want to know more about this workshop, DM me, I'll send you the details. The next batch is starting on Monday. You can just join it. It's a 4-day live workshop that I do. See, you being calm is the biggest gift that you can give to the child. You understanding your child's personality is the biggest gift you can give to the child, because then you're parenting the way that the child needs. Okay? Sarika. Okay, she says my daughter is hitting. She's 2 years old. What should I do? Please answer. Okay, 2-year-old hitting. Okay, hitting is very common in younger children, especially after the age of 13-14 months. Actually, I will say especially after the age of 18 months, because that's when they start getting autonomy. Okay? So Sarika, if your daughter is hitting, then first thing in your mind, जो आधी mothers को ये लगता है कि यार मेरी कोई गलती है कि मेरा बच्चा इतना मारता है, दूसरा बच्चा नहीं मारता है. ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत बच्चे मारते हैं. It is just their way of showing aggression. Okay? It's just their way of showing aggression. बहुत बच्चे मारते. Why? Because they are not getting what they want. They do not know how to communicate. They have very limited communication vocabulary to say what they are feeling, what is happening. Okay, so 2 things to see in hitting. 1, are they hitting just for fun? Because कभी उन्होंने मारा होगा, किसी ने हंस के बोल देगा अरे ऐसे मत करो, they just thought it is fun. That way of hitting me, the only thing you can do is you give too much attention to it. When they are hitting for fun, don't give attention. Just tell them, sorry, you can't hit me. There is no harm stopping your child. A 2-year-old cannot hit a parent. Period. A 2-year-old cannot hit a parent. You can just always hold their hand. You can hug them tight. They just need some time to relax. Okay. If you give them that 1 minute, 2 minutes to calm down, they become better. Okay. Second, if they are hitting when they are frustrated, that's when you have to intervene. वेरी ऑनेस्टली फॉर 2 years impulse control तो होता ही नहीं. So if they want a toy and the other child is not giving a toy, they have zero impulse control. Okay, so they might just hit the child and get the toy. आप उसको बाद में आके जितना मर्जी समझा लो, उसको नहीं समझ में आने वाला है. So I will say for a 2-year-old you have to be little bit more aware. If you see that your child might do this, be around your child and hold your child. Second, if your child has hit another boy or a girl, make sure you take your child away from there and say, Baba, I don't think you're ready to play right now. Let's go out of there. Why? This way, you're physically showing the consequence to the child. That if you hit, I'll take you out. No lecture, nothing. उस टाइम पे तो कुछ बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं, because the child is not understanding anything. Okay, so just pick up your child, take your child and say, I'm sorry, I don't think you're ready to play right now. Give that child a little breather. If the child comes back again, hits, take your child and go back. इस एज में children only hit because they are frustrated. They do not have the vocabulary to say what they want. They feel that everybody else is deciding things for me. I have zero control over my life. I'm not getting what I want. And sometimes children also hit for what? Masti. So you have to figure out which one it is. Okay? Okay. Okay, on YouTube, Tanu has asked, मैम टैंट्रम जब आता है बच्चों को फर्स्ट थॉट ये क्यों आता है, थप्पड़ लगा देता है बच्चा शांत हो जाएगा. ये आपको अपने आप से पूछना चाहिए, आपको ये थॉट क्यों आता है. नहीं, मैं आपको बताती हूँ आपको थॉट क्यों आता है. आपको ये थॉट इसलिए आता है बिकॉज इट फील्स लाइक अ थ्रेट टू यू. इट फील्स लाइक मेरा बच्चा इतना रो रहा है, चिल्ला क्यों रहा है. लगता है ना ऐसे. यही तो मैं कल सिखाऊंगी अपनी मास्टर क्लास में कि आपके ब्रेन में क्या होता है व्हेन अ चाइल्ड डज टैंट्रम. ओके, बट इन शॉर्ट मैं आपको बता दूं, जब बच्चा रोता है या जब बच्चा आपकी बात नहीं सुनता है ना, तो क्या होता है, योर ब्रेन टेल्स यू दैट यू आर आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. व्हेन योर ब्रेन टेल्स यू आर आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, व्हाट हैपेंस इज our human beings are made in such a way that we want to be in control. We'll do anything to be in control. So we feel कि इसको बस चुप करा दो and इसको जैसे मर्जी चुप कराओ because this is irritating me. Tanu, right or wrong? Write in the comments box. Right or wrong? इसको चुप करा दो because this is irritating me. Right? वो चुप कराने के चक्कर में I hit my child. And I'll go one step deeper also. The extent to which your child irritates you when they cry is the extent that you were never allowed to cry when you were a child. I'll repeat myself. Let me say it again. The extent to which you get irritated when your child cries is the same extent to which you were never allowed to cry. That is why crying makes you much more irritated. Because when you were a child, you were also told you can't cry, you can't cry, you can't cry, you should not cry, you're a bad girl or you're a bad boy. So that conditioning is there. So जब बच्चा रोना शुरू होता है, that trigger, that past wound starts coming up. I'm getting out of control. This is not correct. I'm a bad mother. अगर वो tantrum throw कर रहा है तो I do not know what to do. But ma'am, थप्पड़ के side effect होते हैं क्या after years? Tanu, now that you're talking to me, tell me how many times did your parents hit you? Were you allowed to cry when you were a child? Do you feel that you should never show your emotional side to anybody? Do you feel that you have to be the stronger one all the time? Let me tell you something very honestly here, okay? Everyone that who is here, remember one thing, okay? Whatever beliefs that you have in your life today, whatever beliefs that you have in your life today, I am not good enough, will people leave me and go, will I be able to do this or not, I do not have the confidence to do this, people are judging me, whatever belief you have, okay, they were not there when you were born. When you were born, कोई belief नहीं था ना. Like our kids, when they were born, did they have any beliefs in them? You see a young child, care of the world, क्या आंटी सोच रही, क्या अंकल सोच रहे, I don't care. मैं तो नीचे लेट के खाना खाऊंगा because I don't care. They have the confidence of the world. तो ये जो हम बड़े होते हैं और ये जो हमारे बिलीव्स बनते हैं, ये कब बनते हैं? ये तब बनते हैं when you are a child, especially between the ages of 6 to 12, because that's when I go from an egocentric place to a place of empathy, emotions, social connections. वो क्या बोल रहा है, ये क्या बोल रहा है, ये आंटी ने क्या बोला, वो आंटी ने क्या बोला, इसने क्या बोला, उसने क्या बोला, right? So whatever you do with the child when they are young, whatever you say to them, whatever you make them feel, children can pick up any word and just make a belief about it. But that does not mean that you are always tiptoeing around your child कि मैं ये बोलूँ कि नहीं बोलूँ, am I saying the right thing or not, do I say this or not. I'm not saying that also, but just parent from a place of intention. जो बेसिक चीज है वो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. You hitting your child is going to have an effect on the child. Why? Because the child will feel it's my mistake. Again, if it's a strong-willed child, they might just retaliate. If it's a sensitive child, they will think it's my mistake. I am the worst. I make my mama do this. I make my papa do this. Again, understand your child's personality. Very important. मैम माई चाइल्ड इज 8, तनु से माई चाइल्ड इज 8 year old, उसे भी थप्पड़ नहीं लगा सकते. नहीं भाई, 8 year में वाई, अभी तो आप लगा लो तनु, अगर आपको उसको लगाना है 2 साल और रुक जाओ, वो आपको पलट के और चीखने चिल्लाने लगेगा और कुछ भी नहीं है. The thing is, you get irritated with your child's tantrum because it is difficult for you to manage. Because जब बच्चे का tantrum होता है ना, we go in a frenzy because बच्चे का tantrum हो रहा है, because उसके लिए वो urgent है. उसकी अर्जेंसी में आई गेट पुल्ड इन, एंड ऊपर से अगर नमक डालना हो तो जो मेरे पास काम है, जो मेरे थॉट्स चल रहे हैं, जो मेरे इमोशन चल रहे, वो अलग है. दैट इज वाई इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज अ टैंट्रम. But if you are a mother who is much more evolved, who knows how to manage her calmness, who knows how to take care of herself, who is much more aware what my child needs, you will handle it better. So I'll just repeat one thing here. Whatever you say to your child, don't say to your child. Whatever others say to the child or don't say to the child, that is what is making their belief for today. Okay? Children internalize everything. Everything. If my mama is saying this to me, that means maybe I'm a good boy, maybe I'm a good girl. If I want to be a good girl, that means I always have to listen to what my mama says. If I don't listen to my mama or my papa, then maybe they will not love me. So their mind works like that. Your mind also worked like that when you were a child. A lot of people pleasers of today were actually children जो बच्चे थे, but were never allowed to speak up. नहीं, दुनिया क्या सोचेगी, डोंट डू दैट. नहीं, उसको बुरा लग जाएगा, वो आंटी को बुरा लग जाएगा, वो अंकल को बुरा लग जाएगा. आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. सो नाउ बिकॉज नोबडी एल्स फील्स बैड, आई हैव टू फील बैड. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वे टू डील विद इट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके. Okay. Now I'll just take one last question. Hitting, I have answered Sarika. Okay, I hope you got the answer for it. मैम मेरा बेटा 4+ है, वो खाना खाने में अभी भी जो है 2 घंटे लगाता है कभी कभी. क्यों भाई, आप 2 घंटे तक खाना ही खिलाओगे बच्चे को तो फिर बाकी काम कब करोगे? See, when you're, I'll tell you something, okay? When you're feeding your child now, please remember one thing. तुम 2 घंटे सुबह लगाओगे, 2 घंटे दोपहर को लगाओगे, 2 घंटे शाम को लगाओगे, तो बाकी काम कब करोगे? बाकी काम कब करोगे? चिल्ड्रेन नीड टू हैव अ रूटीन. आपका बच्चा 2 घंटा खाना खाने को इसलिए ले रहा है, मैं नीलम आपको बता दूं, क्योंकि वो घूम फिर के खा रहा है. आप एक जगह बैठ के खिला नहीं रहे हो बच्चे को. आप भी उसको थोड़ा खिलाते, वो जाता है, बोलते हैं आके फिर से खिला दो. यू जस्ट हैव योर हैंड लाइक दिस ऑल द टाइम. बच्चा खा ले, बच्चा खा ले, बच्चा खा ले. भाई कब तक खिलाओगे आप? सी, प्यार अपनी जगह होता है, रूल्स अपनी जगह होती है, डिसिप्लिन अपनी जगह होता है. मेक योर चाइल्ड सिट. आपको फीड करना है, आप फीड करो बच्चे को, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट आपका बच्चा 4+ है, 4+ में दे शुड एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट ईटिंग देम सेल्फ, एटलीस्ट लेट देम ईट हाफ द प्लेट देम सेल्फ, रेस्ट यू कैन फीड. Put a timer. Tell them we are going to eat in 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and after that we're going to eat for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and after that you have to finish in that time, otherwise we'll take a break and you can eat after in the snack time or lunch time. ऐसे तो बच्चे 2-2 घंटे लगा देंगे, आप क्या करोगे? ओके. सम चिल्ड्रन ईट स्लो, ये भी मैंने देखा है. सम चिल्ड्रन ईट स्लो. So you have to figure out what the problem is, because they get very distracted. They chew very slow. You know, that is a different kind of children. But again, as I say, you have to understand why your child is eating slow. भाग इधर उधर घूम के खा रहा है, इसलिए वो स्लो खा रहा है. चू धीरे करता है, इसलिए स्लो खा रहा है. डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है, इसलिए स्लो खा रहा है. यार naturally they eat slow. I had a friend of mine, वो जब ऑफिस में भी आती थी ना, she used to take 1 hour to eat because she used to chew very slowly. Some children are slow in nature, like I'm not saying mentally, please don't take it wrong. They're just slow in nature. They talk slowly, they will do things slowly. For them life is like they're in no hurry. That's another personality type. That's, we call it a temperament. Okay, so understand what it is. अगर वो घूम फिर के खा रहे, then it is easily sorted. तनु says, मैम सो कंट्रोल कैसे करे थप्पड़ से? वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ तनु. थप्पड़ आप मार रहे हो, गुस्सा आपको आ रहा है बच्चे पे. बच्चा तो बच्चा ही है, बच्चे तो वही काम कर रहा है जो बच्चे करते हैं. सारे बच्चे टैंट्रम्स थ्रो करते हैं, सारे बच्चे उल्टी सीधी हरकतें करते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर मेंट टू डू ऑल दैट. आपको क्यों गुस्सा आ रहा है, आप ये पूछो अपने आप से. So Tanu, do one thing. Tomorrow come for my free masterclass, okay? And if you really want to go deeper, then join my workshop. It starts on Monday. To how to be a calmer parent. Let's figure out what your triggers are. But are you ready to do the work is what I want to know. Or else ये जो रट है ना, आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे सेम चीज करोगे, फिर आके फिर सेम क्वेश्चन पूछोगे, फिर सेम चीज करोगे. If you have to change something, you have to change yourself first. Ma'am, how to register for the masterclass? Masterclass का link is there on my bio. You can go to my bio. उसमें एक free masterclass का होगा. You can do that. You can just go register it there. Okay. There is a masterclass that is happening tomorrow, which is free. Okay. Once the masterclass ends, let me and if you like the masterclass, I always invite you to go deeper with me, where I say I'm doing a 4-day workshop. Please come join. And this time the workshop starts on Monday. Okay. Join the workshop. It's the Calm Parent Blueprint workshop. I tell you in 4 days how to be a calmer mother. I'll give you steps. We are going to track your triggers. We are going to understand what happens. We are going to understand what are the 3 ways to calm yourself down. What are the unrealistic expectation? What are the realistic expectation? But most importantly, I will tell you what your child's personality is. Because most of the time, parents don't even know what their child's personality is. And they just parent for the, यार उसका बच्चा ऐसे नहीं करता, मेरा बच्चा ऐसे क्यों करता है? भाई वो उसकी पर्सनालिटी है, उसका टेम्परामेंट है. तुम्हारे बच्चे का टेम्परामेंट अलग है. यू कैन नॉट पेरेंट अ चाइल्ड विद अ डिफरेंट टेम्परामेंट. एंड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, योर पर्सनालिटी और योर चाइल्ड्स पर्सनालिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफरेंट. इसीलिए आपके क्लैशेस बहुत होते हैं. दैट्स वाई हियर पेरेंट्स से, यार मैं तो बचपन में ऐसे नहीं करती थी, या मैं तो बचपन में ऐसा नहीं करता था. क्योंकि आप अपने बच्चे की पर्सनालिटी नहीं हो. एंड इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू डील विद इट. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock. I have to go. My mom is going, so I have to go and drop her to the airport today. I come here every Thursday, so if any of your questions are not being answered, no problem. Come next Thursday, I will answer it for you. And from Monday, my YouTube 10 minutes goes live again, where I take every question and I answer it. So if you have any questions, you can DM it to me. I will answer it on YouTube. You can go there and check it. Do check out my YouTube. A lot of questions, like close to 30 has already been answered. I started in February. See if you have any questions there, that same questions that you have, and you'll find your answers there. Okay, about hitting, eating, tantrums, बहुत same, confidence, बहुत answers करे मैंने. So go check if you have anything common. Yeah, चलो. Till next Thursday, bye bye. If you want to join my masterclass, link is in my bio. YouTube, if you want to join my masterclass, link is there. I'll put it under this. or you can go to my Instagram and get the bio from in the bio you'll find the link. Okay, so till next Thursday, bye bye and happy parenting. And Tanu says मुझे 3-4 थप्पड़ पड़े हैं in childhood. So then, so that is why it is normal for you to hit, no, Tanu? That is why you get irritated, because people didn't let you uh, cry when you were a child. You will cry, people will hit you. You will cry, people will hit you. है ना? Chalo. And if you are interested to join the masterclass, I will have the masterclass link below. You can go join it.